फाक 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 फाक, इसीलिए बोलते हैं बड़े लोग, लड़की और लारी के पीछे मत भागो. Good morning, beautiful people. This is second day I'm riding from Vijayawada to Bhubaneswar. It will be approx 750 kilometers. Okay. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है, this is a international airport of Vijayawada. So roads will be like this for around 500 kilometers. So I can make out some good amount of kilometers today because it's straight highway, there is no turns or anything. So yesterday I had stayed at a hotel called Johanan. It is too good. Right, very nearby, very attached to the airport it was there, and even though it is near airport, is charging just $500. That's very good point. Okay. Good morning, sun has come. Hello sun, कैसे हो बाबा? चलो भुवनेश्वर, ओडिशा. In Odisha, I'll be staying in Bhubaneswar, and I'll be going to Konark Temple, and even the, what is this? Shiva Temple. What is this? Jagannath. Yeah, a Puri Jagannath Temple I'll be visiting. Then further I'll be straight. We'll be going to Kolkata. I'll be staying for a day in there, and after the day after I will leave from Kolkata to Bangalore, return trip. Girls in Vijayawada, they're beautiful, I think. I saw some of the girls over here. Two cute girls. Okay, by the way, let's keep that topic away. Fine. Look at these lands, how beautiful they are. Complete equal sized and complete green. Oh, that train is going. Oh, dope, dude. Look how beautiful it is. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है ना? Isn't it? Look at this river, man. Completely drained out, and it looks like I'm in a desert. You can feel that it looks that we are literally riding in the desert. Cool, isn't it? And think of how about the peak summer, peak season, when peak season of summer, it will be completely drained. The normal what I'm able to see right now, that may not be there. Resources. Okay, I'm almost reaching to Rajahmundry right now. I'll stop ahead for my breakfast. Then I will start towards Visakhapatnam. What this guy is trying to do, man? He had tied some kind of a fruit to his vehicle, but I don't know why. क्यों भाई क्यों? इधर क्यों बांधा इसको? खा लेता ना? I don't know. Can somebody justify why he put it here? Look at this beauty, man. Look at this. This is the outskirts of Visakhapatnam. As you can see, big mountains. I am literally through the mountain, not like through. Beautiful view. Around 100 kilometers left for Visakhapatnam. Now listening some music and riding is good. Welcome you all to the Vizag city. I'm just entering Vizag. I'll not be staying over here. I'll just take a highway and just vacate this to Kolkata. Already last year I had been here. I had stayed here for 2 days and explored city. It was a great city, great experience. While coming back, I will be visiting just the Rishikonda beach, and I will go to a good place. Once I will take some 3-4 days time, and I will come here. Okay. And in Vizag you can go to so many places. RK beach, Rishikonda beach, and Dolphins Node, Shivagangai. So many good places are there. You can come and spend some good time here. The first thing was the beach. The beach here is literally very clean and very good. You can spend evening over there. You will not forget that day. Really good place. Really. Instead of I can complete the. I can tell you as it's one of the India's one of the cleanest beach, I can say. The Rishikonda and RK beach. RK beach is not that clean, but Rishikonda is literally clean. So far मैंने अभी श्रीकाकुलम क्रॉस कर चुका हूँ. क्रॉस करके अभी आंध्र प्रदेश खत्म हो जाएगा. थोड़े ही टाइम में आंध्र प्रदेश खत्म होके उड़ीसा शुरू होगा. और मेरा एवरेज स्पीड बहुत कम है, बिकॉज ये जो देख रहे हैं ना, कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है सब की तरफ. हर ये 4 लेन हाईवे को 6 लेन हाईवे बना रहा है, इसीलिए मेरा एवरेज स्पीड बहुत कम है. सो आई ओनली एबल टू कवर हार्डली 450 kilometers right now. Still more 300 odd kilometers I have to ride. Hopefully I can ride it. मैं एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ सब लोगों को. इंडिया में डेथ मेजर डेथ्स है वो एक्सीडेंट की वजह से होते हैं. एक्सीडेंट की वजह से जो भी होते हैं ना, लोगों को लगता है कि वो पॉट होल ऐसा इसी के वजह से लोग मरते हैं. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. लोग मरते हैं एसहोल्स की वजह से, नॉट पॉटहोल्स. कुछ एसहोल्स रहते हैं, एमसी बीसी साइड में रुका होगा, वो आएगा, गाड़ी आ रहा है और कूद जाएगा रोड के अंदर. सॉरी फॉर दैट गाली गलौज. bear with me because what happened, I was coming on my way on bugger. He was just standing in right side of a lane, means this divider. I don't know what happened to him. Suddenly he jumped into the road. He saw me coming. And behind me there is a big lorry is coming. A 16 tire lorry, what do you call, Taurus or something. That vehicle is coming. This bugger is suddenly jumped into the road, man. He know that we are coming, that vehicles are coming in very high speed. What we will do? Just miss, dude, just miss. Would have died, and I also would have died. I don't know what would have happened to us, both of us. I took my vehicle complete to the left lane. Just 2-3 inches of difference to my handle and him. He was just saved. I don't know why these guys are sitting in this divider, that they want to die or something. I don't know, or they want to kill someone, or and they also want to die too. I don't know what the thing is going in their mind, but the people who are suffering is we, like me. Somewhere I'm going, I'm at high speed, but this bugger is coming in the middle of the nowhere. What we can do, we don't even have a sufficient time to brake that time. We have to tackle somehow and get through that. It's idiots, man. Because of these things, major deaths are being held. Major accidents are happening. Because of such idiots, such assholes. And people say people die because of potholes. No, people don't die because of potholes. People bike damage because of potholes. But I never, maybe hardly 2 or 3 cases, people might means gone. Oh shit! After finally good road, man. तकरीबन 200 किलोमीटर के बाद मुझे अच्छी रोड मिल गई अभी. At least I can cover some 4 kilometers, man. And this road is very literally smooth road. I think till Bhubaneswar. Okay. शायद मुझे पता नहीं है, पहली बार जा रहा हूँ इस रोड पे. जैसे ही मैंने वो श्रीकाकुलम से 100 किलोमीटर आगे आया, तो अच्छी रोड चालू हो गई है. सो होपफुली, और अभी बचा है 280 किलोमीटर्स बचा है. सो ऑब्वियसली इजीली कर सकता हूँ. इस रोड में आराम से कर सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. और आई एम नॉट रशिंग टू, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट 2 o'clock right now. तो फिलहाल 6-7 o'clock तक मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा. मैं अभी आज का स्टे है मेरा पूरी जगन्नाथ टेम्पल. पूरी में जा रहा हूँ. पूरी उड़ीसा का स्टेट में आता है ये पूरी. उधर स्पेशल है, उधर जगन्नाथ टेम्पल है, शिवा का टेम्पल, भोलेनाथ का टेम्पल. Oh, fuck. What just happened? इसीलिए बोलते हैं बड़े लोग, लड़की और लारी के पीछे मत भागो. यही हो जाएगा. ओह fuck. लड़की और लारी के पीछे मतलब भागो, सिर्फ इसके पीछे. Got it right? Bhubaneswar 299 kilometers. Actually it's wrong, 280 kilometers. Okay, I'll get back to you. One. ओहो, क्या कर रहा है भाई तू? Okay, I have reached. हाँ भाई, मैं अभी उड़ीसा एंटर कर चुका हूँ. और जैसे ही उड़ीसा एंटर किया, क्या ये लोग का कल्चर है, रोड में 1% भी डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन नहीं करता है. ट्रैफिक रूल्स की माँ बहन कर चुका है. लेन चेंज कैसा भी चाहे वैसा लेन चेंज कर रहे हैं लोग. और रोड में हाईवे पे ऐसा ही कैसा चाहिए वैसा ही आ जा रहे हैं. और अपने बाइक और कार को यूटर्न ले रहे हैं इन द मिडल ऑफ नेशनल हाईवे के बीच में यूटर्न लेना. शाबाश. तो भी रॉन्ग लेन आ जाना. शाबाश. ऐसा सब दे हो रहा है. इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा स्पीड अंडर हूँ. नॉट उतना थ्रॉटल उतना ओपन नहीं कर रहा हूँ. जितना चाहिए उतना ही रख रहा हूँ. अराउंड 70-80 इतना ही. और मेरा डेस्टिनेशन को हार्डली अभी 150 किलोमीटर ही बचा है. इजीली मैं पहुँच सकता हूँ. अभी बचे हैं 5:30 और समथिंग. सो अभी मुझे 2 आवर चाहिए, 2 hours. So it's already 7 o'clock in the night. I'm in Berhampur. So I was checking out hotels, nearby hotels. So one guy has came and started to speak with him. Ashutosh, his name. So he was kind enough that we spoke. He was also a biker. So we spoke for a while. So we exchanged our Facebook IDs. So I booked a hotel in Chhatarpur, which is around 25 kilometers from here. So I'll be staying over there for a night. Then for next day I'll be going to Puri and all those things. This will be a wind up for today. So hopefully I hope you like this video. So if you all like this my kind of content, traveling content, you can support me by subscribing, and let's hope for good handsome kilometers at least tomorrow. I have, and today I had covered around 710 kilometers, which is good enough, but I had a target of 780-90 kilometers. So it is night, and you know that I'm very strict. I don't ride in the night. Okay, Chhatarpur 25 kilometers.